So what I did here is I split my strongest hive. They were boiling over with bees, and I just took 5 frames and put them into 2 nucs. Well, I took the 10 frames and put them into 2 nucs each, so 5 for each one. I took the sealed brood and put it in with the queen, which is in this box, and the other box with no queen is over in the field. But so this nuc right here has the queen and has 2 to 3 frames of sealed brood, 2 frames of honey, and the nuc with no queen also has 2 frames of honey and pollen. But the one that has no queen has 1 frame of sealed brood. I shook probably 3 or 4 frames of bees off on them. I expect most of the foragers are going to come back over here, which is why I shook more than what I normally do into this nuc right here, because it's in the same yard. I mean, they're literally just over there, like maybe 60 feet. You can kind of see a little bit of a right over there. So those foragers will come back, and the sealed brood that I gave, or the capped brood that I gave them, will hatch out and populate that hive. And hopefully I got most of the nurse bees over there, so the ones that I shook out, the nurses should stay, because you got open brood there versus capped brood in here. So, you know, in 2 weeks, hopefully that hive will have their queen hatched out, and, you know, the week after she'll be mated, because we got drones down here. I meant to do this on the 14th, but I was working on my senior seminar presentation, which I have up on my YouTube channel also. And yeah, I got 2 more hives to split. That one's going to be a lot easier, because I'm just going to take the top and the bottom and separate them, and then put a bottom board and a top on top of both boxes, and then call it quits. And whichever box has the queen is the one that, you know, will not have to make a queen. I'll have to rearrange some brood frames most likely, but that's pretty much it. Alright, see you later.